Oji-san back, and want to unbox this new tablet I got in for my birthday. And you guys know I'm a big fan of XP Pen, so I got one of their newer, bigger tablets, and let's check out how it came in. Now, just for comparison's sake, this is my old tablet, and I love this thing. I've literally done thousands and thousands of drawings with it. This is the box. Oh, sorry about that. This is the box that my new tablet came in, so you can see it's quite a bit bigger. Alright, we got our box open. First thing we got here is this little, probably accessory box. Oh yeah. So we've got a new glove. That's awesome. And I will need it with this type of tablet. We've got our cord. We've got power cord. Got a new cool badass stylus. Look at that thing. We have a this looks like a, yep, there's a USB cord. We have an HDMI cord. I have a some kind of a USB power adapter, maybe. Oh, another stylus. Wow. So you get two stylus. Got another little stand for my stylus, and all the nibs will be inside of this. The other half of the power cord. And a nice little book and a whole packet of nibs. And nibs, if you don't know, for those of you guys that don't do digital art, the nibs are the little tips of the stylus. That's what you actually rub against the tablets. Cool. Lots of accessories. Recording?
Yeah.
Now, for the tablet itself. Here, got a nice little package in here. As you can see, this is a whole different world here from what I was doing. Let's see how this thing works. Read the instructions? No. Ah, there we go. Alright, so we go from this, from my old tablet over there. So the main difference between these two tablets, not just that this is much bigger. Let me get my other one so I can show you the comparison. So this is my old tablet that I've been doing all these live streams and drawings on. And, this is my new one. Now with this kind of tablet, you have to draw on the tablet and look at the screen. With this, I will actually draw on this screen. So I'm pretty excited to get this. I think it's going to take me to different levels with all this. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully I can create some good stuff. I will soon give you guys a full review of it. I just wanted to unbox it and show you what I had going on. And for those of y'all who know who B-Knuckle is, this will be her new tablet. So, I really love XP Pen products. I'll give you a full review on how this thing works when I get it set up. But for right now, I just wanted to unbox it and show you one of my birthday presents. It was about, I think it was only $380. These things used to be, $1,000. The price has come down pretty significantly. It's a 22-inch Pro XP Pen Artist 22 Pro is the model. So keep tuned. You'll see me have this set up. You'll be able to watch me draw kind of over my shoulder type of situation. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, sign out.